All right, I got the baler on the Massey Ferguson, and need to do a couple things over here with the baler, and then we're ready to go. One thing I like to do before I go out, other than grease the thing up, is I like to cycle this kicking pan, make sure it's going to work. Looks all right to me. Alright, so we're baling away here, and trying to pick my way around this field with all the obstructions and the trees and not tear my cab off. But there is still some dampness in the field, and you can see some water or some moisture on my tires. And having to drive over some of these windrows, I hope I'm not mashing it down into the water. We're baling in multi-power high, second gear, low range. Well, this wagon's almost full, and John Deere's doing a nice job. Massey Ferguson 1105, and still got a few more bales I can get on, but I'm over halfway done with this field, and baling up pretty good, I think. But the sun's starting to come down, and I have some concerns about the humidity. I got another wagon waiting on me. I'm gonna pull it out of the field, pick up the other wagon that's up there. I don't know if you can see it or not. All right, we got the second wagon on, and there's the wagon we just filled. My son's gonna take it back to the barn, and I'm gonna finish. It's this sun that's coming down, and I'm concerned about the dew, but we got to get it up because it's going to rain tomorrow. So I got to go around this perimeter first. Things down, we got ourselves a problem. That ain't right. So it looks like lug nuts have come off, and its wheels come loose. When I first saw it, I thought the axle had broke. And sometimes on these John Deeres, the axle will break, but on the 348 for sure, there's a heavy-duty axle. So I'm gonna go get a jack and see if I can jack this thing up, and maybe use a couple of lug nuts from the other side and spread these out and see if I can finish. I got about, maybe 30 minutes of baling left. So before it gets too dark, let me try that. All right, I got the wheel back on. I robbed 2 lug nuts from the other side. This wheel's normally got 6, now it's got 4 lug nuts. But I got like 4 windrows left to bale, and so I'm gonna try to do it. I think I'll be all right. And then we'll get, I believe I'm going to need a new rim on that side. I don't know what made me look back there. I just happened to look by and I saw it. Maybe I felt the clunk. I don't remember. But let's see if we can get those windrows knocked out and get this thing back to the shed. Knock on wood. So far, so good. Might take me 10 minutes to finish this field. Last bales are hitting up on the wagon. Got right out of a windrow here. I thought the excitement would be cleaning off this field. It got rainfall a couple of times, but had a little extra excitement with that wheel coming off. So we wound up doing 213 bales off this field. I guessed maybe 150, but I'm never right on my figures. checked these lugs and they were ready to come off again. So that's our video for today, baling this low ground, and I appreciate you watching. And subscribe to the channel if you like these videos. John Deere 348, homemade kicker wagons, Massey Ferguson 1105, and we'll talk to you later.